Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to activate Amazon Pay later in 2025. If you've ever wanted the convenience of shopping on Amazon and paying later, this guide is exactly what you need. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to be logged into your Amazon account. To do that, go to Amazon.com, click on the sign in button, and enter your email address followed by your password. Once you're inside your account, the activation process begins. Now, to access the Pay Later option, hover over or click on Account and Lists at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, choose Account. On your account page, scroll down and look for the section called Other Programs. Under that, select Amazon Pay. If you're new to this feature, you'll see a Sign Up button. Click it, and Amazon will guide you through the setup. Here's an important part: the KYC verification. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and this step is mandatory to verify your identity and keep your transactions secure. Depending on your region, Amazon might ask you for your PAN, ADR, or other valid ID information. Complete the KYC process carefully because your Amazon Pay Later account won't be activated without it. Once your KYC is verified, congratulations, you now have Amazon Pay Later enabled. From this point on, using it is super easy. Whenever you shop on Amazon and head to checkout, simply choose Amazon Pay Later as your payment option. This allows you to either pay in full at a later date or split the payment into easy installments, depending on the offers available. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've set up Amazon Pay Later and unlocked a super convenient way to shop without worrying about paying up front. So, to quickly recap, log into your Amazon account. Go to Account and Lists, greater than Account, greater than Other Programs, greater than Amazon Pay. Click Sign Up and complete your KYC verification. Start using Amazon Pay Later at checkout. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you ran into any issues while setting it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.